Jai Gurudev to everyone. This is Minakshi, and today I am taking Maths of class 9th, lesson number 3, Coordinate Geometry, part 3, exercise number 3.1. In earlier part, I have taken the first question of this exercise, and today I am going to take the second question. So, in question it is given street plan. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. The question is too much big, so try to understand it step by step properly. So, it is given a street plan where a city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. There is a city in which there are two main roads, and that two main roads crosses each other at the center of the city. Then these two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. The direction of the roads are given as north-south and east-west. Then next, all the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meter apart. There are 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter equals to 200 meter, draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent road or street by single lines. So next it is given all the other streets of city run parallel to these roads. So the two roads are given which are in the center of the city, and their direction is given north, south and east, west. Then whatever remaining streets are there in the city, that streets are parallel to these two roads and are 200 meter apart, and the difference between them roads, that is 200 meter. Then there are 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter equals to 200 meter, draw a model of the city in your notebook. So here given there are total 5 streets which are parallel to these two cross roads. So now here we have to use the scale as 1 centimeter, which represent 200 meters. Okay, and by using this we have to draw a model in our notebook. After that, represent the roads or street by a single line. So whatever roads and streets are given, that we have to represent by the single lines. Then next, there are many cross streets in your model. A particular cross street is made by two streets, one running in the north-south direction and other in the east-west direction. Each cross street is referred to in the following manner. If the second street running in the north-south direction and the fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, then we will call this cross street 2, 5. Using this convention, find how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3, and how many cross streets can be referred to as 3, 4. So I think up till this you have understood the question. After the what is given, there are many cross streets in your model. Not only 5 streets, but there are so many streets are there in the model, but we have to draw only 5 according to the question. Then a particular cross street is made by two streets. A particular cross street is made up by two streets, one running in the north-south direction and other in the east-west direction. As given earlier, two crossroads, one north south direction and one at east west direction, and all the other 5 streets are parallel to them. So here also given that one running in the north south direction and other in the east west direction. Each cross street is referred to in the following manner. How it is referred? It is given here. If the second street running in the north-south direction and fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, then we will call this cross street as 2, 5. So here it is given there is a second street which is in the north-south direction and there is a fifth street which is in the east-west direction. They are meeting at a crossing, and that cross street we call it as 2, 5. So by using this above convention, whatever given here as example, by using this convention we have to find that how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3 and how many cross streets can be referred to as 3, 4. That we have to find out. So what is given here? There are two main roads crossing each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north, south and east, west direction. First we will do this one. So here there are two streets at it is given in the question. So here we have drawn the two lines. They are meeting here at this point. We will consider it as a center. Okay. So here the directions are given north, south and east, west. So here this is the one street, or we can say one road, whose direction is north to south, and this is another crossing road that is east to west. Now this is the origin, so we will write here as 0, 0. Then this is the numbering given, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On x-axis we consider it as a x-axis, or we can say it as a street east to west. And here north south also the numbering is taken as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here in the question it is given that by using 1 centimeter equals to 200 meter, draw a model. So here this is the distance between them, means the unit between one street to another street is 200 meter, but in our model we will take it as a 1 centimeter. So the distance between these routes are 1 centimeter, and this is the center of the city. As it is a midpoint, we consider it as a center of the city. Now after that, what is given in the question? There are 5 streets in each direction, that is east to west and north to south. There are 5 streets and which are parallel to these two crossing. So the 5 streets we will represent it. Yes, these are the 5 streets which are parallel to north south. So this is street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4 and street 5. As it is given in the question, we have to mention these streets in our model by a single line. So these are the streets which are parallel to north south. Now again 5 streets are there which are parallel to east west. So these are the 5 streets, that is street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4 and street 5, which are parallel to east west. So this is how our model is ready. Now after that, what is given in the question? Each cross street is referred to in the following manner. How it is referred? It is given that if second street running in the north south direction, this is the north south direction, and the second street, it means this one, the second street, if it is running from north south direction, this is the street which is running from north south direction. So this is the street, I am going to highlight it, which is running in a north south direction. This is the second street. Then in next question it is given, and fifth in the east west direction, and again fifth street is there which is running east west. So this is the east to west, and the fifth street means this is 1 2 3 4 5. This is the fifth street which is running in the east west direction. Okay, so after that it is given at some crossing they are meeting. So this is the crossing where they are meeting, and we call it as 2 comma 5. So the crossing where they are meeting we call it as 2 comma 5. So here we will give name it as 2 comma 5. Okay, so it is given this is the crossing where they are meeting, and it is given as name 2 comma 5. So in that same manner we have to represent that how many cross streets can be referred to as 4 comma 3. So now after that we have to find how many cross street can be referred as 4 comma 3. So first notice here in the question, second street it is given from north to south, and the fifth it is given from east to west. So here if first it is given 4, so 4 it is given, it means it is the fourth street which we have to represent from north to south, means the fourth street which is crossing from north to south. So this is the fourth street which is crossing from north to south. And after that given third, that is 3, means that is third street which is crossing from east to west. So what is which is the third street? This is the 1 2 and this one is 3. So this is crossing from east to west. So here they are meeting at this point, and if they are meeting at this point then we call this point as 4 comma 3. Again these points are not meeting at any other crossing street. It means here it is given in the question how many cross streets can be referred to as 4 comma 3. So only one cross street can be referred as 4 comma 3. Then next second question is given how many cross streets can be referred as 3 comma 4. Now again we have to find how many cross streets referred as 3 comma 4. So for that, if first it is given 3, it means it is the street which is going from north to south, and second it is given 4, means it is a street which is going from east to west. So the third street from north to south is this one. This is the third street. This is 1 2 and 3 which is crossing from north to south. This is the third street, and the fourth street which is crossing from east to west. So this is the fourth street which is crossing from east to west. So here at this point these two streets are meeting, and we will give it name as 3 comma 4. Sorry, it is not that, this one, because it is given third street and fourth street. Yes, this one. So they are meeting at here point 3 comma 4. Okay, forget this one is not. Okay, so in the second question it is also given how many streets can be referred as 3 comma 4. So only one street can be referred as 3 comma 4. So this is how we have marked it. So after doing that our model will become like this. This is the center of the city, and here the marking is given as 2 comma 5, and this is the crossroad, that is 4 comma 3, that we consider it as A, and the second crossroad, that is 3 comma 4, that is B. So here first, a unique cross street as shown by the point A 4 comma 3 and a unique cross street as shown by the point 3, 4. So I hope you understand this question properly step by step, and thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you so much.